Now let's solve the problem. Cot square A minus cos square A is equal to cot square A into cos square A. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first let me write down the LHS. Solution. LHS is cot square A minus cos square A. Cot square A, I can write it as cos square A divided by sin square A, right? Because we know that cot A means cos A by sin A. Therefore, this cot square A, I will write it as cos square A by sin square A minus. Let me write this cos square A as it is. And nothing is in the denominator, so let me write it as 1. Okay? Now observe here, cos square A, it is common. So let me take common. Cos square A, let me take common. What is the remaining term? 1 divided by sin square A minus. What it will remain here? 1. 1 by 1. Now, cos square A, let me write as it is. Here you take the LCM. What is the LCM? Sin square A is the LCM. Here, 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1 into sin square A. It will become sin square A. Okay? Cos square A. We know the formula. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Right? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, this 1 minus cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. That is 1 minus sin square A. I can write it as cos square A. Cos square A divided by sin square A. Okay. Cos square A, let me write as it is, into cos square A divided by sin square A is cot square A. Cos square A into cot square A. I can write it as cot square A into cos square A, right? Because 2 into 1 is also same, 1 into 2 is also same. Therefore, RHS is cot square A into cos square A. That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.